Formitrol is a ready-to-use ant bait gel that controls nuisance ants like citronella ants or pavement ants. Once found, ants consume the bait and bring it back to the colony to share, leading to a systemic elimination of the entire colony. Formitrol is made with dinotefuron and methoprene. These ingredients kill adult ants that consume the bait and prevent future generations from maturing. Formitrol is ready to use and requires no additional tools. However, to avoid direct contact with the bait, be sure to wear gloves. Before applying bait, locate ant trails and sanitize all areas to be cleaned. Clean up and remove all secondary food and water sources. Sweep and vacuum floors to remove crumbs. Wipe down surfaces with warm water and dish soap to remove grime, and wipe sinks dry to remove any water. For the best control, ants must have no alternative food sources that may direct them away from the bait. Do not clean with harsh detergents or bleach, as those will deter ants away from your bait placements. After the area is prepped, you may start the application. Take one syringe of bait, remove its cap, and insert the included plunger into the end of the syringe. Push the plunger down to dispense bait. Bait can be applied in spots or strips near actively foraging ants, mound entrances, or nest sites. Spots can be 1/4 of an inch in diameter, while strips can be 1 to 2 inches in length. Leave the bait sites alone and periodically check to reapply bait as needed. Formitrol can be used indoors or outdoors in residential, commercial, industrial, or institutional properties. Bait can be placed in garages, kitchens, bathrooms, warehouses, patios, yards, and lawns. In food or feed handling and packaging areas, apply only as crack, crevice, or void treatments. Do not apply where food or feed may be contaminated, and do not apply where normal activities can cause the bait to be washed or removed from placements. Formitrol should be used whenever nuisance ants are active. Do not use bait products in prevention strategies. Remember to check bait placements for activity and reapply if activity persists. Formitrol is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Store unused bait in cool, dry areas away from children and pets. Formitrol is labeled to control nuisance ants, including citronella ants, pavement ants, ghost ants, and odorous house ants, but not fire ants, harvester ants, or carpenter ants.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.